again. Na, 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 na. Look at my one piece. You're whack. You're whack. It's actually a men's shirt, by the way, but a girl like me still look cute and adorable. I can make it into a dress if I wanted to use it as a dress. Yes, 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 and I still look cute. So what is up, Amalets? It's me, Amajay when Amajay TV, and we are here to do CLC. By the way, as I know that the controversy that has been surrounded since I think it was last year with Sworn, but she's still my bias anyway. But I know just because she's my bias, it doesn't mean I condone her behavior. No, I still care for her to reflect on everything she has done, and I guess that's that. And now I guess she learned her lesson. So with that being said, let's learn to be forgiving, guys. Don't be unforgiving. Be forgiving, but never forget. Forgive, but never forget. That's my motto. So we are going to do CLC Helicopter. I don't know what to expect this. I can really tell this is going to be a banger. So we are going to do CLC Helicopter in 3, 2, 1, go, go. We won't be learning at the top. Oh, okay. Ooh. Helicopter. They look good. Again, I don't know names. I only know Soren. Obviously, she's the first bias. Oh, she looks good. Gosh, they really came a long way ever since their debut with Pepe. Oh, she's in that dress. Interesting. Oh, she looks so majestic and royalty. Wow. Yes. Oh, wow, that's an interesting haircut. Oh, she looks so angelic, and yet she's adorable too. Oh, she looks so pretty. They look good. I'm not gonna lie, they actually look amazing. Oh, Soren with blonde hair. Actually, not even blonde. Yeah, kind of blonde, but like kind of like platinum blonde. It really looks good on her. She looks so different. I didn't recognize her. Oh, she looks so majestic. I don't know if it's the. I like it. She looks like a princess from the space and so pretty. I like the dress on her. I wouldn't wear it because I'll be very uncomfortable. But she looks amazing. She looks like a mermaid, I don't know. That looks so good. Do you know what I like about Soren? Soren can actually dominate English, Thai, and Korean. They look so pretty. Yes, I prefer when her hair is actually full down. I don't know. I like her hair, but still, something about her hair doesn't look, it looks weird when it's like, I don't know. Oh, no, no. I changed my mind. She actually looks good. Wow. I just prefer Storm's hair, like, fully, like, without the hairbands and nothing, none of that. I think something to do with her hair looks flowy, and it was flowy. And I really, really like it. I like it, yeah. I can see what Cupid's trying to do with CLC. I really liked them when they first debuted, because if you remember Pepe is still a bop, okay? Pepe is still a bop. If you haven't heard that song, some people say, oh, this is a bop. Yeah, it is a bop. But still, Pepe is forever be a bop in the books of CLC. Because what I can see here, Cupid's trying to like push CLC to be like the next 4 Minute. Because 4 Minute were the ones that were like that type of genre, type of girl group, if you remember that. So, and I can see why they're pushing this group to be like the next 4 Minute. But then you got G-Idol, which is also being pushing to be the next one. I think that, I don't know what's going on. I mean, it's either one of that you can have both like being like, because I really prefer the debut CLC a little bit more, but I still like them. It's just like, in just my opinion, I just feel like something to do with Pepe that was so impactful, and it was so different, and it felt them. But because 4 Minute disbanded, I guess they were more forced to make songs that were meant to be made for 4 Minute at the time. So we are done. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. I mean, again, I'm trying to be fair. It wasn't bad. It wasn't terrible. It's just, I don't know, something about this missing. That's probably just me. But it's still good. It's still boppable. Boppable. Instead of bottable. Boppable to listen to. So we're going, with that being said, I love you all. Annyeong everyone. And saranghae.